This is a paper mache pumpkin I made back in 2018. It's not bad for a beginner, which I was at the time, but now that my skills have improved, I think with just a bit of work, this pumpkin could look a whole lot better. I removed the stem and flipped the top of the pumpkin to be more concave. With the top open, I painted over the newspaper inside so it won't be so busy and distracting when it's lit up. I sketch out where I want the ridges of the pumpkin to go and add another vent to the mouth to let more light out when I put a light in it. I use cotton ball mache, which is just cotton balls dipped in wood glue, to build up the ridges. I got a little bit impatient with the dry time, so I used hot glue and strips of cardboard in a few places to get the desired ridge height. I might just switch to the cardboard method going forward. And then I locked it all in with another layer of cotton ball mache. Then I ball up some tin foil to make a stem armature. Then with some air dry clay, I sculpt over the stem and build up the upper lip area so that it's a little bit more protruding and pronounced. I like how the air dry clay is a rougher texture to separate it from the soon to be smooth pumpkin, which I am using Crayola Model Magic mixed with a little bit of wood glue and applying it in a very thin layer to avoid the Model Magic cracking as much as possible. It leaves a nice smooth finish, and the only cracking seems to be in the depths of those ridges, which is easily covered up with a bit of acrylic caulking, smoothed with just my finger dipped in water. Using Model Magic is still something I'm sort of experimenting with, but if it's used in thin layers, I think it could be a promising new material for crafting. Then it was just a matter of painting the pumpkin orange with a little bit of darker red orange in the creases for some depth. I think this looks a whole lot better than it did in the 2018 incarnation, but let me know what you think in the comments below, and stay tuned. I've got some more Halloween stuff from the past 2 years I'm trying to get done and get out now. Peace.